Hey guys, so I'm making some candy yams to go with some baked chicken. You guys know I have too many chicken recipes on here, so I don't need to show that. But let's get into this candy yam recipe. This one is so easy and simple. All you're doing is throwing things into this baking dish. On here so far I already have fresh grated nutmeg. Of course I'm using my cell phone so I can't hold it and do it. I'm using fresh grated nutmeg. To this you're gonna add your cinnamon. All of this is to taste. However, I will give you a starting ground for someone who's like, you know, an amateur cook or something. I'll give you a good starting ground, and you can work from there. That's ground ginger. You want to add your salt. Come on, salt. Okay, there we go. I'm using kosher salt. Then you're going to take your dark brown sugar and just sprinkle it. You can use light brown. I have dark brown today, so that's why I'm using that. I'm going to mix this up before I add my butter. So mix this up, and then we're going to put the butter on top. Alright, so what you want to do now is you just want to start adding your butter. It's up to you how much butter you want to use. This is about 6 tablespoons, and I also sliced some of them, the tablespoons, in half because they're cut really thinly. Like this one right here. Where is it? Right here. This is not a tablespoon. So, yeah, you're going to cover this, put it into a 375-degree oven, 30 minutes covered, and about 10-15 minutes uncovered. Alright, y'all, this is what it looks like. Nice and tender. Spoon's going all the way through. Look how sticky and silky that is. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.